Which moron is sitting here cussing with all the kids in the room?
Who are you, huh?
Don't worry about who I am. I'm one of the mothers, and I don't appreciate your language acting stupid on a game.
Ah!
You're a freaking moron.
And you're a poopy head, bozo stick.
Is that all the comeback you can say? Yeah, okay.
Okay, dumb head. I'm a doctor, and I drive through Lamborghinis.
You're not a doctor, you moron. You're like
Yeah,
12. Pink! You're an idiot. You sit at home and
No. I'm the biggest bird. Look at this. Yeah, I'm the biggest bird. So stop talking. I'm the biggest bird.
Bye.
You couldn't last a day in Ohio. I'm the king
He's talking
of
about I
Ohio.
couldn't last a day in Ohio. You know how stupid this kid is. You're really the dumbest person on the planet.
You're not a mom.
Yeah, he's a nose picker. You can tell.
What'd you just call me?
You're a nose picker. That's what I called you.
And you're a poopy head.
Bye,
Poopy
you
face.
Stupid
If you
moron.
leave, you're
like
a loser.
12,
What,
and
you
you're
just
the one cussing in front of
You
kids.
just came at the
dumbass.
face of confrontation?